Hi, I'm Ian Stokes, host of LBU Global Voices, and I'm sitting down with Charlotte today to talk about careers. Hi, Charlotte.
Hey Ian, how you doing?
So tell me, is LBU career focused?
Yeah, so here at Leeds Beckett University, we've got a dedicated department in helping your career planning and development. So our Beckett Careers team is focused delivering a wide range of support through your university journey and up to 5 years after you graduate, so we can help you get that graduate job. So whether you already know what you want to do and need help in your planning and applying for jobs, or alternatively, if you've got no idea, we can help you explore your options and focus on your next steps.
So as a student, what's the best way I can take advantage of My Hub?
Okay, so My Hub is our online career site, and it's the first point of call for anything and everything careers. So once you've got your student log on, you can get access to My Hub, and I do suggest having a good look around. There's a lot of information and resources on there. So we advertise everything that Beckett Careers does. So anything that we're doing, we list all our events, all our programs, all our workshops, and then you can book onto whatever you want, whether it's online or in person. Some of these include our CV support. We do LinkedIn support as well, interview support, mock assessment centres and skills workshops. We also advertise our jobs. So these can include part-time jobs, summer jobs, work placements and graduate jobs all throughout the year. So it's a really good idea to keep an eye on My Hub and check out those new opportunities regularly. You can search with these via, the kind of industry that you wanted to go into or the kind of job area and also your location. And then we also advertise volunteering, work experience, again, those consultancy projects and short-term placement options too. And this is under our Skills Hub section. So if you need any specific help, you can also book an appointment with one of our dedicated careers consultants. And you can do this via My Hub. There's an appointments tab. And then again, you can browse our online materials. So this way then you can find advice in your own time as well if you prefer.
So will LBU help me make a CV for when I graduate?
So Beckett Careers has got CVs covered. We've got a range of activities and help. So My Hub is actually delivers a 24/7 online CV support program. So this is a guide that kind of steps you through the process step by step. So you can either create a CV from scratch, or you could adapt an existing CV for individual jobs. Alongside the CV program, we deliver CV workshops. We deliver these frequently throughout the year, again, online and in person. We also have the experiential team who work with students in finding placements and things alongside their course. And they offer workshops and dedicated support for CV placements. So if you need support, we offer one-to-one CV appointments and also get specific advice from our careers and placement consultants.
Tell me a little bit about the LinkedIn seminars.
Okay, so our LinkedIn seminars are one of our most popular workshops, actually. And we basically show you how to set up a LinkedIn account and use it to get the best advantage in your career development. So these are regularly delivered online and they last up to about an hour. There are many uses to LinkedIn, which we explore. So including creating an online CV ready for employers to search, or applying for jobs directly using LinkedIn. And also, most importantly, expanding your professional networking by messaging and connecting with people to increase your industry knowledge and increase those industry contacts. So whether you already have a LinkedIn account, but you don't know how to use it, or you've never even been on LinkedIn, we can help you create a really professional online presence. I think often with international students, you don't already have that network with you. So LinkedIn is a really great tool to kind of start building that from now, to be honest.
So speaking of international students, what should new international students to prepare for their arrival in the UK?
Okay, so there's a lot you can do before you arrive in the UK to help your career development. Firstly, you could research the areas of employment you want to explore. So there's absolutely loads of resources online before you even get to Leeds Beckett. A really great resource is called prospects.ac.uk. So here you can search for different industries and different job roles. You can find out what kind of skills you need. You can find out what kind of experience you may need. And you can find out a lot about different employers that are in these industries. This way you can then begin to understand already what it is that you need to do to get the most out of your time at Leeds Beckett University.
That all sounds really fantastic and really helpful. One of the great things about LBU is that it's so career focused, which is ultimately the goal at the end of the day. Are there any other resources you'd like to highlight?
So we are focusing a lot on our online materials as well. So we have our YouTube channel, which I probably mentioned in passing, but we do have little 2-minute videos that can kind of focus on specific aspects, you know, so if you don't have time to be attending potentially an hour session. And we're also working at building our resources of pre-recorded information again. So, you know, again, to kind of fit in around your studies. And then also just watch out for our professional programs as well. So lots of things you can sign up for in advance or register your interest. So please do have a look on MyHub and look through the schedule.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Charlotte, for sitting down with me today and telling me all the wonderful things Beckett Careers has to offer. It seems like there's a wealth of resources that are just ready to be taken advantage of.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you later, Ian.